Hello children, you are watching this video. In this video, in self-development and art appreciations, part second is growing up, discovering adolescence. In first part, we have learned what is adolescence and the characteristics of adolescence. Now third point is speciality of adolescence. The development of a brain is rapid in this period. The changes that takes place in the brain till the age of 24 years. Second, development of the brain. The structures and functions of the brains are complex. Let us understand how the three parts of the brains are developed. Here, first part is action brain. It develops fully at birth. It sustains lives and movements. It controls breathing, digestion, heart rate, sleep, hunger, body temperature, etc. Second part, emotional brain, the monkey brain. It is a 0 to 5 years. This area is the seat of our emotions. It is also responsible for response to stress, nurturing, caring, fear, rage, social bonding, and hormone control. All feelings originate from the emotional brain. Now, third part is the thinking brain. This part of the brain is responsible self-control, balanced thought, problem solving, planning attentions, creativity, and self-awareness. You are watching actions brain and emotional brain. Where is that place and the thinking brain in this clip? How is the adolescent's brain different? During adolescence, the emotional brain is highly developed, but the thinking brain is still developing. Their brains cannot always react properly to harmful situations, and hence they may fail to act responsibly. Here you are watching this mouse, teenage mouse, like these conditions, your need for freedom. Here a few situations given. Have you never ever been troubled by this? Your parents or teachers do not allow you to keep a particular hairstyle. Your parents do not allow you to stay out till late night or go out late at night. Your parents do not allow you watch television whenever you want. Your parents do not allow you to eat oily food from roadside vendors. Freedom and responsibility. In this stage, your thinking brain is not fully evolved. Your wrong decisions to face long-term consequences. For example, your rash driving. When you are not even eligible to drive, it lead to your irreparable loss. So, students, options and responsibility. Read these given few incidents and choose the options that indicates how you would behave in such situations. Justify your choice. If you like this video, you subscribe it to next update. Thank you.